Here's the news of the day.
Cherokee Federal has unveiled the Mobile VertiPad Platform, a rapidly deployable landing solution for VTOL and eVTOL aircraft, designed for diverse missions from defense to emergency response.
Entrol has sold an H-145 Level B full-flight simulator to Air Corporate, enhancing pilot training for critical missions like search and rescue and offshore operations.
Blade Air Mobility and Skyports are launching a pilot program for helicopter transfers between downtown Manhattan and JFK, gathering data to support future eVTOL operations.
Enstrom Helicopter Corporation has appointed Chuck Wade as Senior VP of Product, Sales, and Customer Excellence, aiming to strengthen client relationships and expand into new markets.
The Jeff Pino Foundation is sponsoring 100 Texas and Oklahoma students to attend VertiCon 2025, offering hands-on aviation exposure and mentorship from industry professionals.
SMFL LCI Helicopters has acquired Macquarie Rotorcraft, expanding its fleet to 310 aircraft and strengthening its position in the growing helicopter leasing market.
Skytrack has received STC approvals for its DLS 140 Iridium Certus 100 system on multiple aircraft, enhancing connectivity with satellite, LTE, and Wi-Fi capabilities.
Robinson Helicopter Company launched a redesigned website with a new helicopter configurator, improved navigation, and details on its latest R-88 utility helicopter.
Sora Aviation secured a pre-order for 20 S-1 eVTOLs from Korea's Aviation, aiming to launch urban air mobility routes between Seoul and Incheon Airport.
Diamond Aircraft, owned by China's Wanfeng, is reportedly acquiring Volocopter, planning major staff cuts, though the deal remains unconfirmed by Volocopter.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.